Hi mga ka-beauties! Just letting you know, available pa ang mga Beauty Queen products. So, I shall introduce it again to you guys. So, this is the Creamy Milky, our very first beauty product soap. And this is the kojic acid. We have two variants. Here, this and this. Oh, ang ganda nila guys. Ang ganda nila mga ka-beauties. Ito po yung calamansi. The calamansi tawas. I recommend it for your kilikili mga ka-beauties. Ito po, highly recommended if you want your skin maputi. Bleaching soap. Wow. Ito naman po, Cocoa Berry Soap. Ito po mga ka-beauties, our collagen soap. This is also highly recommended. It's very pretty. Tapos ito po, yung dalawa po naming variants of our lip gloss. Ay, lip balm pala. Ito po mga ka-beauties, this is our recent lip balm. Oh, it's so pretty. This is the red tinted lip balm. I've always wanted to try these. Ito po mga ka-beauties, it's really maganda. Wow, mga ka-beauties, ang ganda. Tingnan niyo po. Wow. Pag trinay niyo to mga ka-beauties, gaganda ka, tas magugustuhan ka ni crush for sure. Ito po, our very first lip balm, the glitter lip balm. It's pink and it's gorgeous. Talagang yung crush mo, magiging crush ka. Ayan po mga ka-beauties, maganda rin po siya. Highly recommended. So that's all mga ka-beauties. If you guys want to buy, let me know.